back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. In today's video, I have quite a few customer service job leads. I've seen in the comments where people are looking for higher paying customer service jobs. So I have a few of those, and I do also have a job that is using those customer service skills, but is listening to and grading those phone calls. So you're not actually taking the phone calls. One of these jobs pays up to $60,000 a year. We're going to get into all of them. Of course, the links to all the pages I share are always directly linked in the YouTube description box below this video. And I do just want to remind everybody that I don't work for any of these companies. I am simply sharing what I find online, trying to help you find the best work from home job for you. I will leave the timestamps to everything down in the description box as well. And I do just ask that if you enjoy any of these job leads, give me that direct feedback by giving this video a thumbs up, like button, and of course share with all your friends and family so we can all work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life. First up, we have the company Intellishift. Now, Intellishift has 61 reviews on Glassdoor. They do have a 4.0 out of 5-star rating. They are looking for a customer support specialist. Now, all these jobs that I'm sharing are going to be remote for the United States only. But it says Intellishift is a growing B2B SaaS company, business-to-business software as a service or software as a solution company with 20 years of expertise in fleet management technology. They're specifically looking for somebody to work 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time to 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time shift, but they're looking for somebody to become an expert on their Intellishift products and applications, combining hardware, software, analytics, and AI across multiple industries. You're going to utilize your technical knowledge and customer support experience to analyze customer issues, offering solutions, and documenting those support tickets so the escalation team can work quickly. You'll respond to customers and resolve their inquiries in a timely manner, addressing support requests through phone and email channels. They are looking for somebody who has 1 year experience in customer support, engineering, or other user support role, someone who's familiar with systems like Zendesk or Salesforce, someone who has great communication skills, and someone who has good analytical ability. So you can look at things and kind of deep dive into the reporting and be basically a problem solver. Now, pay for this position is anywhere from $45,000 a year all the way up to $60,000 a year. Moving right along, we have the company EdPuzzle. Now, EdPuzzle only has 38 reviews on Glassdoor, so please make sure you're always doing your own research on any companies before giving them your personal information. Out of those 38 reviews, though, they do come highly rated at a 4.7 out of 5-star rating. They're looking for a customer support agent. Now, EdPuzzle is a leading ed tech company trusted by over 80% of the schools in the United States, they say, and they're looking for somebody to basically become an EdPuzzle expert. You're going to handle cases daily and respond to them in a timely manner through Zendesk. You'll host video calls to assist teacher training or troubleshooting, working to get the inbox down to 0 at the end of the day, maintaining that consistent messaging across the EdPuzzle brand. So you're going to help improve the quality of the responses, support resources, and overall user experience by identifying any trends and escalating them up. You'll also help with articles for the Help Center. Now, they are looking for somebody who has great communication skills, somebody who has email, phone, or video chat skills, someone who is a problem solver and a strategical thinker. Now, they are looking for somebody who will be dedicated and an avid learner, someone who is always wanting to learn new things. Above that, they're looking for a high school diploma or GED, but no college degree, and at least 2 years of related experience, so probably customer service experience. They do have a few state restrictions. They can hire in Arizona, Colorado, Connecticut, DC, Florida, Illinois, Massachusetts, Maryland, Michigan, Minnesota, North Carolina, Nevada, New York, Ohio, Pennsylvania, Rhode Island, South Carolina, Tennessee, Texas, Virginia, and Washington. But if you're in one of those states and are interested, this job pays anywhere from $40,600 a year all the way up to $50,700 a year. But moving right along, the company Hendall, they have 64 reviews on Glassdoor with a 3.3 out of 5-star rating. They're hiring a part-time remote quality call monitor. So they are basically looking for somebody to work part-time, being responsible for monitoring telephone interviewers, and they make and capture details on these telephone calls. You're going to review them and provide coaching or feedback to the interviewers from monitoring and support them by answering any questions. So basically, you're going to listen to these calls or monitor these calls, verify the project protocol is being followed, and provide any feedback to that customer service representative that took that call. You'll also monitor surveys and identify areas of improvement there as well, assisting with monitoring production and managing calls at each hour. So you're just going to make sure all the call reps are doing everything they're supposed to do. You'll also help create the training activities and training documents with this calls. They're looking for somebody who either has a bachelor degree or, if you don't, 4 years of work experience, someone who is experienced in leading others, someone who has prior experience as a survey researcher is preferred but not required. You do have to have those Microsoft Office skills and know how to use Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, great communication skills, and somebody who has the ability to work a set schedule. They're looking for 20 hours a week. Now, unfortunately, pay for this position was not listed. That'll need to be discussed at the time of the interview. Marathon is seeking a full-time scheduling coordinator. They're looking specifically for a scheduling coordinator to work Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and be on rotation for Saturdays, 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So you will have to work a few Saturdays. But they're basically looking for somebody to be the best practice scheduling for patients and providers. You'll schedule patients and inform them of any prep instructions or test instructions that they have coming up. So you're going to act as a customer service champion for Marathon Health, managing all incoming communications from patients through email and phone. You'll schedule their health coaching and any clinic appointments, and you'll collaborate with the member relations team to integrate any customer service into clinical and non-clinical operations. You'll monitor patient feedback and communicate any concerns that they have up. So you're just basically scheduling their appointments, and if they have any test prep that they have to do before an upcoming appointment, like not eat after a certain time, you'll give them all of their instructions. Now, they are requiring a high school diploma or GED and 1 year of customer service experience. They want somebody who has the ability to handle complaints and negative situations, turning that around, somebody who has great communication skills, and someone who has attention to detail and great organizational skills. Now, pay for this position is printed very small at the bottom, but it is $14.47 an hour. In keeping with the healthcare theme, we have Healthmap Solutions. They have 117 reviews on Glassdoor with a 3.5 out of 5-star rating. They are looking for a member engagement specialist. Now, this again is remote for the United States, but their member engagement specialist contacts members by phone to explain the benefits of Healthmap's kidney health management program. You're going to basically be responsible for promoting the benefits and trying to enroll members from referred health plans and providers into that kidney health program. They're looking for somebody to work Monday through Friday, 11:30 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So if you're outside of that time zone, you'll have to convert your hours to see if that works for you. But basically, you'll conduct a minimum of outreach calls per day to a targeted list of eligible patients and tell them about the benefits of the kidney program. You'll try to get them to enroll in the program. You'll follow approved scripts, so they're going to tell you exactly what to say, ensuring members understand and are comfortable with the terms, and respond to the persuasive and professional courtesy that you're giving them. You'll present them with a professional, high-energy approach. So if you're not a high-energy person, this one might not be for you, but you are going to have to meet daily, weekly, and monthly goals. They're looking for somebody who has 2 years of call center experience, someone who has a desire to work in an efficient, results-driven place. They do prefer somebody who is bilingual, but it is not required. You just have to have those great customer service skills and the ability to multitask. And last but certainly not least, we have the company North American Bancard. They have 328 reviews on Glassdoor with a 4.0 out of 5-star rating. You're looking for a support service specialist. Now, this is remote again for the United States. North American Bancard is a family of companies committed to making it easy as possible for businesses to grow through credit card processing, e-commerce, mobile payments, and more. So they're basically doing payment processing services for big companies. You're going to give technical support for merchant database updates, hardware installs, and programming updates. You'll provide advanced phone remote support for these merchants that are using these payment processing platforms. You'll diagnose any software, hardware, or network related issues. You'll perform a database management and track all support issues for resolution times. So this is going to be a tech support job. Now, they only require a high school diploma or GED and 5 years experience in some kind of a POS or payment solutions software, hardware, or networking. So you've got to have a little bit of that payment processing background or tech support background. You also have to know those Microsoft Office systems. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I owe you a huge thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for, because I do read those and keep that in mind. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like button, share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.